Ending a YouTube video with impact is an art, and in this video I share with you 3 expert strategies that I personally use, which has led to millions of views, hundreds of leads, and multiple sales across multiple channels. My name is Rakeem Madison. Let's go. All right, so when it comes to ending a YouTube video, it's so important for you to actually have a purpose for each and every single video. And it's important that you have that purpose for that video before you even start recording the video. So here's what I mean. So let's say, for instance, I want to put out a video and I know the main purpose of that video is for the growth of my channel, right? But then I put out another video the next week and that's for me to grow my email list. And then I put out another video that helps me generate more product sales. You see, all of those have a difference. Yes, all of them are going to help grow your channel, but when you know the purpose, it makes it very easy for you to get there. So in this video, I want to show you all the different situations and examples of how you can actually do it. And I'm going to break down exactly what each one is, and it's going to be a lot more simple for you. All right, so this first strategy I'm gonna share with you is called feeding the system. So feeding the system is very simple. YouTube loves to keep people on their platform, right? So all we're gonna do is we're gonna have people watch one of our videos and hopefully they enjoy everything that they're watching. And then when they get to the last 20 seconds of the video, what we wanna do is we wanna send them using an end screen card over to another video, over to a playlist, over to a YouTube short, whatever it is, but it has to be strategic. This is why I plan out all of that before I even start recording my video, so I know exactly what I need to do. Okay, so that's very important. So I want to show you 2 quick examples and we're gonna move on throughout the rest of the video. All right, so this first example is a video that's called Easy Way to Quickly Add a Clickable Link to Your YouTube Description. So I'm gonna go ahead and play it for you so you can see how it sounds, and it's just me doing a transition over to another video. So now that you know how to make your links clickable, I want you to watch this video next because it's going to teach you step by step exactly how I structure my YouTube video descriptions to generate the most amount of clicks possible. All right, so the goal right there is to say something that has so much curiosity to make them actually go and watch that video. So yes, I did the handoff where I literally said, hey, go ahead and watch this video next, right? That's the first thing, but you have to say something that would make them want to go and watch that video. That is the most important thing. So I recommend that you actually write this out on a piece of paper. I'm not really a script writer. I just kind of go, based off the outline that I have. But for your hook, I recommend you write it all out. And for your end screen, I always write those 2 out and I make sure I say it and make sure it has the most curiosity. All right, so let's watch this other one. Now, if you're one of those people who are just going to be getting access to it, which it'll be new to you, obviously you need to understand how to use it to grow your channel. So I want you to watch this video next because it's going to show you exactly how to get that done. See you over there. All right, so with that one, I was real brief. I just made sure I did the handoff and just made sure it had a little bit of curiosity, not too much, but I just wanted to make it quick so that we get that easy transition, all right? So now we're gonna move on to the next strategy, which I believe is very powerful, especially if you're a business owner. All right, so this next strategy is called the fishing method. And the reason I call it the fishing method because as a business owner, you have to generate leads for your business, right? And the only way to do that is to actually have content that is valuable and actually intriguing enough so that the viewer that's watching is like, man, I gotta get on this person's email list. I gotta find out more about them. And that is the main goal as a business owner, right? All right, so now with that being said, what I wanna do is I wanna share with you 2 quick examples so you can see me actually doing it, and then that way you can take some of the things that I'm saying inside of mine, and then that way you can use it inside of your content. All right, so let's get to it. Now, if you want to learn the exact process I use to consistently rank my content up at the top of the search engines and consistently sell products, go ahead and click the first link down below in the description. That's going to take you through my 6-part video training course. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace. All right, so let's stop it right there. So I'm gonna explain what I did. So the first thing I did is I said, hey, if you enjoyed this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. The reason I do the thumbs up is because I know I can get an effect from the likes, right? So I first tell them, hey, go ahead and go give me a thumbs up. And then I go right into the call to action. I say, hey, if you want an XYZ 1, 2, 3, then go ahead and click the first link in the description. And I make sure I point and I actually put a title in the video. So if you're doing the editing on your videos or somebody else is, let them know when you do the point or however you do it to the top, however that is, just make sure they put something there so that way you can keep the person's attention. All right. All right. So let's go ahead and watch the other one.
Hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to learn step-by-step exactly how I grew my audience leveraging the power of online video, then go ahead and click the first link down below in the description. That's going to take you through my 6-part video training series. That's going to show you exactly how I did it. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.
All right, so same process. I said different words, but the main goal was achieved, right? Yes, I didn't have the title when I pointed, but you don't always have to have it, right? You can have many different ways that you can actually give a call to action. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the next method. All right, so this next strategy is called cash in the bank. And the reason I call it that is because your goal as a content creator should not just be to create content for the sake of creating content. The goal should be able to create an income that allows you to do this for the long term. That's just my honest opinion, right? And so cash in the bank strategy is very, very important. Whether you're doing affiliate marketing or you selling your own product, really doesn't matter. It works either way. So I'm gonna show you 2 quick examples of me actually doing it. All right. All right. So let's watch this first one.
So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to get access to Click Magic free for 14 days, go ahead and use that first link down below in the description. That'll give you instant access. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Okay, so very, very simple. And as you can see, it's very similar to when I did the lead magnet, which is the phishing method, right? The only difference is now I'm directing them to a product specifically. So in this video, it was Click Magic. In the next one I'm going to show you, it's going to be another product. So this is more, a little bit more tailored towards affiliate marketing. All right, so let's go to the next one.
So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to get access to Friend Filter, go ahead and use that first link down below in the description. That'll give you instant access. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.
All right, so same thing. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually show you the results from those videos. So the name of the first product for this video was Click Magic. And as you can see, I've earned $1,111.97. And then you can see for this particular product, which was the Facebook automation tool, you can see the commissions just keep going down here. And then even if I go over here, let me go ahead and move me up, you can see it's multiple pages of commissions. So it works with what I'm trying to show you here in this video. It's just certain ways that you have to do it. So what I recommend is go back through every situation that I just showed you here, look at the things that I'm doing and saying, and then apply those inside of your videos. So now you know how to end your YouTube videos, but how do you actually get people this far in your video? Well, if you watch this video right here, I share with you some killer strategies for you to do exactly that. See you over there.